Hey everybody, we have an eastbound train coming, so I hope all of you enjoyed this train video with Mr. Canada National. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video with me, and if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But this was filmed on Sunday, April 28th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.